families and friends span from in a fly down like hey, 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 yo, yo. So we live it up now, now. Different vibe, different flex.
You some mine higher?
Oh, them see. Them see some I try teeth.
Exactly. How is that teeth?
Obviously, we all love ice cream, but do we love it enough to devour several scoops in one sitting? Well, they've packed it all in here, and they're gonna put us to the test today. Them say we must bend.
No.
Use only.
Hand bend.
No! They say we must use only a mouth.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Me ready?
You have to so must take out the spoon.
No, you can't use your hand.
You have to take out. Use my mouth and take out the spoon. You never say go.
No, she must go.
Oh.
Melanie must go.
All right, guys, ready? Remember, the winner gets a $2,000 gift certificate to Candy Craze. Ready, set,
No,
go!
just start to shoot.
Some ways, you know, you have to take that off the Hurry, come on! Let's go, let's go! You want me to hold it here for you?
Go, take it.
You have to turn it now, this other side.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming, baby.
Yes!
About 15 gummy bears.
Bro, I saw you do it.
Show them how to do it. Exactly. He's so skilled. I mean...
Don't try this at home.
I'm so sorry.
Don't try this at home.
Where the fun starts and ends. Candy Craze.
God.
So must supposed to finish it?
Yes. You win. Okay, well, our winner is right here.
My proud of you,
Yeah.
Bossy. My goodness gracious. No, sir.
That was really
Lipstick gone, the
good.
makeup gone.
So you have experience in eating ice cream?
Only look at this. Guys, look at this. Look there. The way it was empty, it's almost empty. I'm sorry, there's like a little bit. I don't even make it past. Dwayne, you're very good at eating all that
Ice cream,
That's
yeah.
wonderful.
Ice cream.
I'm very proud of you. I'm glad you got that $2,000 gift certificate, but Oh, you did that?
God, on my nose.
it's in your nose, but you need to see.
It's all about technique. It's all about technique.
You know that you have like, oh no, do a close up. We did a close up.
It's all about
And
technique.
look at that. You
Technique.
see your face?
It's technique, watch this. I'm sure. You have to go from an angle
Okay.
like this. So you got
Oh my goodness. I think we need to go for a break so we can wash off our mouth.
take a break, please.
So
Come back with a formula. I'm everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even dance in me ass.